You say that I'm hypnotic and that I caught you like that.
Hello friends, I hope everyone is doing well. But you hear that noise? Oh my goodness, it's driving me crazy. I came outside to see what was going on, and well, they're doing construction across the street, and let me show you. You see that guy with the blue sweatshirt? Yep, he's the one making the noise, but that's okay. They're making that house across the street look nice inside. I guess they've been doing that for quite a while. You know, it's been like a few months that they've been doing that, so it is what it is. What can you do? You know, they have to work. I think it's best for me to go out, you know, go for shopping or something. Well, yeah, going to Chelsea, guys. I'm gonna go to the supermarket. I wanted to go get some coffee, but then I decided, nah, I'm just gonna go buy bread and a few other things. I'm gonna get strawberries and then go home and make my food just the way I like it. So, yep, right there, that's our hotel. I forget the name of it, but that's fairly new. Gotta get gas, guys. Gotta get gas. So, but it's so expensive. Let me show you. This, yeah, you're gonna see. It's gonna be quite $3.55 a gallon if you just get the unleaded, the regular. Oh goodness! But anyway, there's a building, there's a brand new building on the right side. That one right there. It's brand new. It's not too cold today. It's quite nice. So yeah, let's go to the supermarket. See what goodies they have. Just looking around, see. It's not a lot of people. So let's get in there. Hope I can find something delicious. I'm thinking to buy strawberries, so I'll see. But look at the skies. It's so blue. Look at that. Oh my goodness, this thing. You know, I picked like those carriages, but it's kind of noisy. You're gonna hear it maybe. Anyway, ooh, look at that. So you know, there's quite a few things I need to get, but you know, once you go to the supermarket and you say, well, I need to buy bread, I'm just gonna go get bread, and then you're like, nope. So I got this strawberries. You see the price? Okay, check it out. $5.99. If you have like a coupon in your card. Well, when I go to the register, it's gonna be a different story. I'm gonna tell you that much. So the bread, delicious. Gonna get my favorite bread. Okay, so when I went to the register at the supermarket, the lady wanted to charge me $7. And you saw the price. You guys saw it was $5, right? The register, it was saying $8.99 for 5 pounds of strawberries. It's like crazy. So, but I had like a coupon thing that I did through my phone. And it was supposed to deduct $2, which it did. But instead of being $6.99, and I'm supposed to be paying $5, right? But it was saying that I needed to pay $7. And I told her, no, that's not the price. So I went and I took a picture of it and I showed it to her. She still didn't believe me. Then another cashier came over and she fixed everything for me. So I paid $5 for the 5 pounds of strawberries. Yeah, I was not gonna pay $7 because that was not the price. But anyway, I got my wish. Well, it was my right, so you know, it is what it is. Things at the pump and at the supermarket is getting ridiculously expensive. Everything is so costly. Well guys, I'm heading home right now. I'm just gonna make my delicious food, lunchtime. So I hope you guys have a good day. Take care of yourselves and your loved ones.